This past week I got the opportunity to put scale kit on a Convey-All BTS 115 seed tender. Customer was wanting the platform to be risen up 1 foot. This just gives him just an extra foot of clearance when he wants to fill some big fertilizer spreaders, since this conveyor isn't super high. But then we also took the liberty of just making this a broader platform when he wants to mount it on the trailer. And walk around. Just closer look at the bar themselves. You got a bottom bracket, top bracket, and we just U-bolted it down for ease of mounting, and if a bar ever gives problems, you can take it out and replace it with ease. And then for indicator, we got customer chose the Intercomp 720 indicator. This one's just a nice bright 2-inch display. Easily see it in this bright sun, and be even brighter at night. But got this 25-pound weight, set it on, and the scale should read up to 25 pounds. And yeah, that's pretty much what all goes on in installing a scale kit on Convey-All seed tender.